Question number 3, exercise 12.1. There is a slide in a park. One of its side walls has been painted in some color with a message, keep the park green and clean. If the sides of walls are 15, 11 and 6, find the area painted in color. This is the slide in a park. These sides are given to you 15, 11 and 6. We have to find the area that is painted. This area is painted, that is in triangular shape. You know that. So here we will find the area of triangle and that will be our answer. You can see here that we are given side ABC 15, 11, 6. First of all, for finding the area, find the value of S, means find semi-perimeter A plus B plus C upon 2, that is 15 plus 11 plus 6 upon 2 equals to 32 upon 2, means 16. So area of triangle, you know formula, under root S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Put the value of S 16 here, and 16 minus A is 15. Similarly 16 minus B is 11. 16 minus C is 6. Simplify it, you will get this. Now you have to factorize it to find the square root in easy way. So you can write 10 like 5 into 2, 16 into 5 as it is. We have written here. 1 you write or not, no better. So 5 will come out of square root and square root of 16 is 4. So 4 and 5 will come out of square root and you will get under root 2 here. You will get 20 root 2 meter square. This area of the slide in a park is to be colored or painted. Fine, this is the answer. Question number 4 is, find the area of triangle, two sides of which are 18 and 10 centimeter. Find the area of triangle two sides of which are 18 centimeter and 10 centimeter and the perimeter is 42 centimeter. Here also we have to find the area of triangle. We are given two sides, third side we have to find from the help of perimeter given in the question. Two sides A and B are given. Find perimeter. What perimeter is? A plus B plus C equals to 42. Perimeter is given and perimeter is also written by sum of all the sides of a triangle equals to 42. Remember that perimeter is called 2S also. Here also you remember perimeter equals to A plus B plus C, and this perimeter is also called 2S. 2S equal to what? A plus B plus C. From here you can also see, you do the cross multiplication. A plus B plus C equal to what? 2S will come. So remember 2S equals to what? A plus B plus C. This 2S is the perimeter. So we are given perimeter 42. A plus B plus C equals to 42. You put the value of A and B, 18 and 10 here, and then you will find C. 42 minus 28 equals to 14. This is the value of C, side C. Semi-perimeter of triangle we have to find for finding the area here. So we know that A plus B plus C upon 2 is the formula of S. So you can also say this is the perimeter upon 2. Fine. This formula is also written like this, means perimeter upon 2. Fine. This can be written like this, and further perimeter is given to you 42. So write 42 upon 2. You will get 21 centimeter. Area of triangle under root S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Put the value of S 21, S minus A 18, S minus B 10, S minus C, this is value of C 14. Fine. So you just simplify it, you will get this, and then you will have to factorize it for getting the square root. So 21 can be written like 7 into 3, and these all three numbers are as it is I have written here. 7 is common, 7 is coming 2 times, so pair of 7 will come out 7 and 3 will come out 3, under root 11. 21 under root 11 will be your answer. So in centimeter square. Question number 5 of exercise 12.1 is, sides of triangle are in the ratio 12:17:25 and its perimeter is 540 centimeter. 5 its area. So you can see here answer that sides of triangles are given in the ratio. So first side A will be 12x, second side B will be 17x, and third side C will be 25x. Whenever sides are given in the ratio, we assume the sides like this. You know already. Perimeter is given 540 centimeter, and perimeter is written by a plus b plus c equals to, perimeter is written by a plus b plus c. So a plus b plus c equals to 540. Put the value of ABC from here. 12x plus 17x plus 25x equal to 540. You will get 54x equals to 540 and x equal to 10. Fine. So here you are getting the value of x is 10. Now put the value of x in a equal to 12x. So you get a equals to 12 into 10, 120. Similarly put x equal to 10 here. So you will get b equal to 10, 17 into 10 equals to 170. Similarly c equals to 25x. Put the value of x 10. So you will get 25 into 10, 250. These are the three sides which we had to find. Now we find the area of triangle, that is, for that we need S. S equals to a plus b plus c upon 2, and here a plus b plus c upon 2, you write it like this also, or you can write it directly like 540 by 2. You can write directly 540 by 2 because perimeter is already given you. What 540? Perimeter is 540. Perimeter equals to 540 already given you. You can write it directly 540 upon 2, or you can write the sum of all the side upon 2. Then you will get, you solve it, you will get 270. S equal to 270. Area of triangle is what? Under root S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So put the value of S, 270, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. I have put the value of A, B, C and S in the formula. So you get, simplify it, you will get this. Fine, we will factorize it further to find the square root. Fine, this I am doing now. Write 270 into 150 into 100 into 20. You just multiply all the numbers, you will get 81 and 60. Fine. So this is your product of these numbers. Now find the square root of these numbers. Square root of these numbers is 9000, and this is in centimeter square. So area of triangle is what? 9000 centimeter square. This is your answer. Question number 6. An isosceles triangle has perimeter 30 centimeter and each of equal sides is 12 centimeter. Find the area of triangle. Here you remember this is an isosceles triangle, so two sides of triangle will be equal, and each equal side is given 12 centimeter. So write down here perimeter equal to 30 centimeter, which is given in the question. Perimeter is also written by a plus b plus c equals to 30 here. Fine. And value of a is 12, value of b is also 12, and let third side be c centimeter. Its value we have to find by using perimeter. Fine. 12 both sides I have taken because this is an isosceles triangle and both two sides of the triangle are equal. So write down value of a 12 and value of b is 12 plus c equals to 30. C equals to 30 minus 24, you will get c equal to 6 centimeter. As you have to find semi perimeter equal to perimeter upon 2. Fine, or we can say a plus b plus c upon 2, and value of a plus b plus c is 30. Write down 30 upon 2, you will get 15 centimeter. We have got the value of S, A, B and C. Put these values in a Heron's formula. Heron's formula is under root S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, and this is used for area of triangle. Here we are finding the area of triangle, so we are applying this formula when all three sides we know. Now under root S, S is 15, 15 minus 12, 15 minus 12, 15 minus 6. We have put the value of S, A, B and C. Now what we get? We get 15, 3, 3 and 9 here under square root. 3 is in pairs, so 3 will come out of square root, and 9, square root of 9 is, here you can see again, 15 into 3 into 3 into 9 we will get from here. 3 is in pair, so it will come out of square root like this, 3. Square root of 9 is 3, and this 15 will come under square root with 3 into 3. Now you solve it, you get 9 under root 15 centimeter square. This is the area of triangle. In exercise 12.2, CBSE has deleted quadrilateral application based questions. I will solve only 2 and 3 questions which are following the syllabus of CBSE. Remember, tomorrow I will send the solution of those questions. Thank you.